What is auteur theory?
An auteur is defined as a film director whose filmmaking control is so unbounded and personal that the director is likened to the author of the film.
Notable auteurs include Spike Lee, Quentin Tarantino, and who we're going to discuss today, Alfred Hitchcock.
Hitchcock released his first feature-length film in 1925 titled The Pleasure Garden. Although it received a very negative response for its explicit imagery on release, Hitchcock then went on to make a further 62 films during a successful career.
He was known for cameoing in his own films, starting in The Lodger, which released in 1927. He was also one of the first directors to appear in his own films and continued to happen for other auteurs, such as Spike Lee.
Another trope of Hitchcock being an auteur is that he used voyeurism in many of his films. In Vertigo, Scotty pulls Madeline from a river and undresses her in an intimate manner. He then dresses her in red, which is considered to be an erotic colour. Hitchcock was widely considered to be a voyeur himself. He lived vicariously through his scenes that he directed and potentially gained sexual pleasure from them. Another example in Vertigo is the obsession he had with Madeline, specifically where he has been tasked to watch over her, but the way he watches over her is Stalker-esque. This relays Hitchcock fantasies and how he cannot do this in real life, so he puts it in his movies.
In Vertigo, Hitchcock uses colour to convey emotion and the character's changes throughout the film. Scotty begins the film in a burgundy suit in a high contrast to the yellow midget's outfit, representing their emotional distance from each other since their past relationship. Later in the film, Scotty's outfit switches to a green jumper after saving Madeline from the river. After undressing her, he also puts Madeline, now in a bright red gown, which for the film so far had been Scotty's colour, as well as green, previously Madeline's colour.